The chapter is Exponents for Standard 7 and Part 4. We will do some problems on simplification. 3 cubed the whole squared into 5 squared by 9 squared into 5. So we can write this as a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. You have to multiply. So this we can multiply. This is 3 to the power of 3 into 2, 6 into 5 squared. We'll write it as it is by, now we have to convert 9 as to 3 to the power of something, so that we can do the division. Here we have 3, here we have 5. So if we convert this 9 also to 3, then it will be easy to use our laws of exponents. So 9 squared can be written as 9 is 3 squared. So 3 squared the whole squared. 9 is 3 squared. This 2 we will write it here. So this will become again a to the power of m into whole to the power of n, a to the power of m into n. So this you can write this as 3 to the power of 4. So we will write this as 3 to the power of 4 into 5. Now we will use this m to the power of m, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to, when the bases are same and powers are different, and when we have to divide the both, we have to subtract the powers. So m minus n, a to the power of m minus n. So we will use it here. So this is equal to 3 to the power of 6 minus 4 into again 5 squared minus 1. If this here, since it is multiplication, we are doing this. In case if it was division, something like 3 squared plus 5 squared by 3 to the power of 4 plus 5, then you can't do this. We are doing this method only because these between the terms, this is multiplication. So so this 5 has gone, so 2 minus, it is nothing is written, that means it is 5 to the power of 1. So 2 minus 1, so this is equal to 3 to the power of 6 minus 4 is 3 squared into 5. Since the numbers are very small, you can multiply and put the answer. If it is a bigger number like 5 to the power of 7, 5 to the power of 8 and all, then you don't have to do the simplification. You can simply write it as it is. So this is 9 into 5, so equal to 45. Now here this is equal to 3 to the power. Now we will use a by b whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So we can write this as 3 cube by 5 cube into 1 by 7 cube. 1 cube is 1. So we don't have anything common here. So we can write this as, since you can also write this is in a different way. You can also write this as a into a to the power of m into b to the power of m can be written as a into b the whole to the power of m. So you can write this also as 3 by 5 into 1 by 7 the whole to the power of 3. So this is equal to, now there is nothing common over here, so 3 by 35 whole to the power of 3. Here if you do this also, you will get the same. So instead we will go to this. Here again we will convert. Now 2, 3 are primes. So we will convert the 16 and 64 also to primes. So 16 is equal to you can write this as 4 into 4. 4 into 4 can be written as 2 squared into 2 squared. So this will become 2 to the power of 4. So 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Now 64 is equal to 16 into 4. So you can write this as, so we can also write it in this way, 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 4 into 16 by 3 squared into 64 can be written as 16 into 4. 4 can be written as 16 into 2 squared. So 16 into 2 squared. So now 16 and 16 will cancel. So we can write this as now 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 4 and 3 to squared. So we can use a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 into 3 to the power of 4 minus 2. So that is equal to 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3 into 3 to the power of 2. So this is equal to 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3 squared is 3 into 3. So 9. So that is equal to 72. Now here again 3 to the power of 8. Now 9 to the power of 3. So 9 will convert it into 3. So 9 cube is equal to, 9 can be written as 3 squared the whole cube. That is equal to 3 to the power of 6. So we will write this as 3 to the power of 8 into a to the power of 6 by 9 cube is 3 to the power of 6 into a cube. Now we have the same base over here. So we can use the same law, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 3 to the power of 8 minus 6 into a to the power of 6 minus 3. So this is equal to 3 squared into a cube. 6 minus 3 is 3. That is equal to 9 a cube. Now this we can use for this problem, we can use a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So this is minus 1 by 3 whole to the power of 2 into 3, 6 into minus 1 by 3 the whole to the power of 4 into 5, 20. Now if you see here the bases are same. So we will use identity, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to, when the bases are same and the powers are different, you can write it as a to the power of m plus n. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3 to the power of 26. 20 plus 6. This is also equal to 1 by 3 to the power of 26, because the power is a even number, so the negative will become positive.